भाई साहब इंजीनियर चला रहे हैं पूरी कंपनी तो चल रही है या
चल रही है, बिल्कुल चल रही है कि भैया ये चीज़ कैसे काम करती है, which is an engineering concept. Then it will become a very tough conversation to have, and we today do not have the amount of time to have that conversation because things have to move very quickly. Honestly, today I am sitting on a role which is not entirely technical. PO क्या होता है ये we did not know on day one. तो purchase order आए सिवाय आप काम मत करो is something we realized with a mistake
After
that we
burning
did.
the
After burning, there is no structure. हमारे पास कोई बेंचमार्क नहीं है कि अरे ये नहीं हुआ तो दिस इज़ अ प्रॉब्लम. When we met back in 2016, we were what, 17, 18 years of age. Hardly कोई brains, there were no brains in the brains. It's just there, you're just doing something. हमारे पीछे वो सबको बताते रहते हैं कि देखो हमारे बच्चे ये कर रहे हैं. तो
in a team of what 20-25 members you don't have a sales guy, you don't have HR also.
no, I don't.
भाई साहब इंजीनियर चला रहे हैं पूरी कंपनी तो चल रही है या
चल रही है, बिल्कुल चल रही है. एंड अगेन आई थिंक इट्स सो फार इट्स बिन अ बून दैट इट्स बिन ऑल इंजीनियर्स बिकॉज किसी से भी बात करना कैन नॉट बी डिफिकल्ट व्हेन यू आर जस्ट 20-25 पीपल, राइट? बिकॉज यू सी देम एवरी डे और आप किसी को प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट समझाना चाह रहे हो एंड इफ़ यू हैव टू एक्सप्लेन देम कि भैया ये चीज़ कैसे काम करती है, विच इज़ एन इंजीनियरिंग कॉन्सेप्ट, then it will become a very tough conversation to have, and we today do not have the amount of time to have that conversation because things have to move very quickly.
who manages let's say in fact let's say hiring वो एक जिसका 100% क्यारे प्रोडक्ट या सर्विस या कोडिंग ही है वही कर रहा है या मतलब among the 3 co-founders you guys have divided this job?
So everything is divided amongst the three of us.
Okay.
And honestly, today I am sitting on a role which is not entirely technical.
Okay.
So it's been a while that I've written a piece of code.
Okay.
Honestly, I can understand everything. I know the terms. I can speak to people. I can explain the entire product. But I'm not sitting and writing the code. That's where I get the time to do everything else.
Fair.
So all of the hiring, firing, management of payroll, and who goes where and what gets managed how, what quotation is sent to a client, how much is the negotiation that we do, all of that comes under
Fine.
my job role today, and that's how we manage it. But sales is something which is a very equally split process amongst all three of us because again, sales for us is not typical, right? You have to talk to the person in an engineering language.
Yeah.
because आपसे परचेस बहुत एंड में बात कर रही है, आपसे पहले टीम लीड बात कर रहा है या आपसे पहले जो एंड यूजर है उस प्रोडक्ट का वो बात कर रहा है, एंड दैट पर्सन इज एन इंजीनियर. So you have to talk to them in engineering terms, you have to talk to them technicals, and then they understand it. Hence it has become a very natural sales process for us कि हमने जो हम कर रहे हैं वही हम उनको एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हैं, देर सोल्ड ऑन दैट. फिर कोटेशन और परचेज टीम तो आ जाती है, चलिए बाद में उनको हैंडल करना है स्टिल अ थिंग. सो वी हैव लर्न दैट इन द प्रोसेस कि हाँ पीओ क्या होता है ये वी डिड नॉट नो ऑन day one. तो परचेज ऑर्डर आए सिवाय आप काम मत करो is something we realized with a mistake
After
that we
burning
did.
the hand.
After burning. So we learned a lot of things with burning hands, honestly.
How do you manage founder dynamics? Because 3 of you, same age, same class, and maybe a different roles. So how do you manage that? Because सीखा नहीं है कहीं पे. You guys are
सीखा
not an
नहीं है,
MBA.
I think that's better.
Yeah. Okay.
Honestly, that's much better because there's no structure. हमारे पास कोई बेंचमार्क नहीं है कि अरे ये नहीं हुआ तो दिस इज़ अ प्रॉब्लम. एंड वी हैव मतलब इट्स बीन अ गुड एंड बैड थिंग. आई थिंक वी सॉर्ट ऑफ प्रैक्टिकली ग्रोन अप टुगेदर, राइट? When we met back in 2016, we were what, 17, 18 years of age. Hardly कोई brains, there were no brains in the brains. It's just there, you're just doing something. So we've practically grown up together. We know exactly what will trigger this person, exactly what will not go down well with him, and what will he be upset about, what will he be fine about. So we know that things about each other. I think that helps to a greatest extent. It also sort of, the single con or disadvantage about this is we felt that we did not realize that we're growing up. So now there are more things apart from just the three of us within the equation. There's family that you have to think about. There's, because parents are growing older, their expectations are rising by the day. अब वो चीज़ें मेरे लिए थोड़ी अलग है, इनके लिए थोड़ी अलग है, इनके लिए थोड़ी अलग है. But that is impacting you personally.
I'm sure they must be very proud of you guys, what you have built. Or you're
Now they're
still
happy. They're less angry. Let's
They're less
just say
angry.
they're less angry. They'll never say, right, कि तुमने
सही।
जो बोला था तुमने वही किया है, तो they'll never say that, but we know that they're happy with it, we know that they're you know, हमारे पीछे वो सबको बताते रहते हैं कि देखो हमारे बच्चे ये कर रहे हैं तो
अगर ये सेगमेंट पसंद आया तो लाइक करो, शेयर करो, सब्सक्राइब करो एंड प्रेस करो आई बटन टू वॉच द फुल एपिसोड गाइस, एंड ऑल्सो टू एक्सप्लोर मोर वीडियोस लाइक दिस. इफ यू आर रियली पैशनेट अबाउट student entrepreneurship, please spread the word. Campus to CEO. Thank you.